Hey, good Friday to you. I'm Storm Team 9 Meteorologist Patrick Ellis here with your ENC Weather update for this June the 21st, 2013. Well, it was an alright day once we got the clouds out of here this morning, but as we head into tomorrow, I think we see more clouds and even a chance for more showers and thunderstorms, as well as we go into a more unsettled pattern into your weekend. Let's take a few shots from the Skycam network this afternoon. Here's the look from the Seahawk Inn and Villas down at Atlantic Beach. People down at the beach had a nasty little band of showers and thunderstorms along the sea breeze make its way inland, but now the sun shines back up. You see the clouds looming just off the coast. Possibly some more showers and thunderstorms making their way into coastal Carteret County here over the next couple of hours. And here's the look from the Bridgepoint Hotel and Marina down in New Bern. You see some scattered cumulus clouds as the sea breeze making its way towards New Bern. Wouldn't be surprised if within the next, say, hour or so seeing some showers. Actually, a little downpour just to the north of New Bern, up towards, near Fort Barnwell, Clay, and up towards Ernle this evening. Overall, not too bad of a day. Temperature right now over there in the low 80s. All right, on to the GFS, the 12Z run, and looking at what's going on. Very lack of steering currents across our area, and that's why that frontal boundary that brought us to severe weather on Tuesday has just kind of hung off the coast. It hasn't done very much, but it is starting to back up towards us, and that's what's going to help enhance the chances for showers and thunderstorms for us as we head into the next couple of days. We'll fast forward into Saturday, and you see a little note of energy down here towards that little upper level disturbance. And that's going to also help to enhance the chances for showers and thunderstorms. But overall, what we're looking at is just some scattered activity. I think the best chance for rain is likely going to lie east of US 17 as we head into your Saturday. Now, inland, not to say that you won't see some showers and thunderstorms, but coastal areas likely going to be the better shot for seeing some of these storms. And they could be locally heavy, precipitable water values up around 2 inches. So I got a lot of moisture in the atmosphere. And here's the look from the 4-kilometer NAM valid for tomorrow afternoon. You just see random scattering of showers and thunderstorms, and the high-res model's just not handling this setup very well, trying to pinpoint where the showers and thunderstorms will be. So that's why we're just kind of saying there's going to be a random scattering of showers and thunderstorms tomorrow. Just be ready for that, especially if you're going to be down towards the coast, because it looks like that's going to be the best place for seeing scattered showers and thunderstorms going into the weekend. And likely Saturday is going to be the best chance for seeing storms across the east. And maybe on Sunday morning we'll still have a chance, but overall I think Saturday is going to be the main event as far as this is concerned. On to Sunday afternoon, you see the energy pushing out of here as we start to get that southwesterly push, and that's going to help bring some warmer temperatures as well. Thickness values well up there. You see the Bermuda high starting to kick in as well. That's going to help bring in some warm temperatures as well. You see that 591 high basically just that'll bake us as we head into next week. Here's Monday, 591 high, really cranking up over us, and this is going to be one of those situations where we're going to see diurnal showers and thunderstorms each and every day, just a scatter shower thunderstorm threat, mainly for the afternoon hours. It's not going to be a huge threat, probably about 30%. They can be heavy, they can be gusty, they can have lightning, they can be strong thunderstorms, but not everybody's going to see one. So just be prepared for the next couple of days for that realization. Here's Tuesday, same type of situation. The ridge starts to break down just a little bit, and you see what happens here. We get another high back off to the west, but the ridge is kind of broken down at this point over us on Tuesday. And what we got going on Tuesday, I think maybe Tuesday and Wednesday may be a touch cooler than what some of the models are depicting. And you see what happens on Wednesday. You get a little piece of energy coming through the flow, not looking like it's going to be a huge setup for rain, but what will happen, because we'll have a westerly flow, what will actually happen, that will bring down our temperatures just a smidge, and I'm not talking about very much. I'm talking about maybe from 88, 89 to maybe 86 degrees. So it's still going to be a hot day and humid as well as we go into the next couple of days with these warm temperatures. Here's Thursday. We're still going to be looking off to the west as a strong cold front tries to dive in here as we head towards Friday. Huge ridge back off to the west, and you see the amplified pattern already starting to get its act together. And you see the northwesterly flow. That's going to help bring down some drier air, but still, energy on top of us, scattered showers and thunderstorms. That's just going to be the way of life the next couple of months. Here's Friday, trough trying to dive south. At this point, the GFS and the European have backed off a little bit on timing, have slowed it down a good little bit before it gets on in here, and think it'll get on in here as we head towards Saturday instead of Friday like it was thinking yesterday. But look at this mega ridge that just builds in here over the desert southwest, and you see what happens here. Just huge ridge troughing pattern here as we go into late next week, and that'll increase our rain chances as we head towards late on Friday and into Saturday. Down to the surface, once again, starting to see those scattering showers or thunderstorms just kind of popping up along the sea breeze this afternoon, and likely that's going to be the story the next couple of days once we get past this little trough issue that we have for tomorrow. You see a better chance for showers and thunderstorms right along the coast. Inland, we'll call random scattering, but once again, it'll be an issue where if you do happen to get underneath one, it could be fairly heavy at times. Here's Sunday, once again, scattered showers and thunderstorms. We'll call it about a 30% chance. High temperatures likely middle 80s that afternoon, and the National Weather Service is trending a little warmer than that. They went upper 80s. I had to go back a little bit because it just the thicknesses are there, but with possible cloud cover and also the rain shower activity, I just don't have the confidence right now to go that warm. So I decided to take a compromise of the models and the National Weather Service and kind of go in the middle and went with an 84 on, say, Sunday. Here's Monday. We're going to go with an 86 that afternoon. Still with that scattered shower and thunderstorm activity. Once again, that death ridge just kind of builds off to the west of us. And then as we go into, say, next Tuesday, once again, scattered showers and thunderstorms right along the coast. Here's Wednesday. Still with that same chance. Here's Thursday. Front back off to the west starting to come into the flow. Here's Friday. And it dives south. And by Saturday morning, the front's basically bisecting the state. And that's when we're going to be talking about the potential for some scattered showers and thunderstorms, more so in the way of severe weather, possibly with that type of setup. And look at some mischief down here in the Western Caribbean and also Southern Gulf of Mexico. Something going on there with the GFS late next week. Something to look out for, but the European doesn't show that. So for this matter, we won't think about that for the time being. We'll think that that's not there. Also, over in the Eastern Pacific, seeing a nice little signature there for potential for a storm that possibly head out towards. I think that would head out towards sea, but still, the fact is the tropics are starting to heat up. That'll do it for me today here on the ENC Weather Update. You can stay with us on WNCT.com as well as on the television side. We'll be on tonight, 5:30, 6, 10 o'clock on the CW, and 11 o'clock right back on WNCT. And you can also check us out on Facebook and on Twitter. Have a great afternoon and a great weekend. Hopefully you stay dry.